And we're going to do 8 essential tips as a Adobe Premiere editor. So we're going to do this, so let's get started. And let's keep me with Stephanie because I edit a lot. And I'm going to give you some of my essential tips as an editor, as a Adobe Premiere editor of 8 tips for you guys. So, okay, my number 4 is learn the hotkeys. The hotkeys means the shortcuts into Adobe Premiere. So if you are learning how to trim your video, the space bar means play, and the arrows are going back. Means that, white clip, and then loading it, all that. And especially if loading it as you go through when you switched over from Final Cut into Premiere. The best way is to learn the hotkeys. What I would recommend is if you want to learn the hotkeys, maybe you could print out the hotkeys as a transparent onto your keyboard, because that would really work. I have done this before when I was using Avid. I actually printed out the hotkeys as a transparent and I put it on my keyboard. So when I need to learn something, if I need a shortcut, I know where to go onto that. So simple. I think I am number 5. Number 5, taking advantage of the Creative Cloud. Taking advantage of it. Just take advantage of other softwares out there besides Premiere. Like, say if you want to learn motion graphics, After Effects is the best one. Or if you haven't learned audio, if you need help in audio, the best one in Adobe is Audition. And then there's SpeedGrade, and there's Photoshop, Lightroom, Dreamweaver, Illustrator, InDesign. Multiple programs that is easier and better with just a few clicks away. So I think I am on number 6, right? Yeah, number 6. Create your own overlays. So create your own overlays. I will have onto the timeline where you can have one clip and then you overlay the next one. So let's say if I need a graphic overlay onto this clip, all I have to do is line my timeline up of this clip and then put the overlay of the graphic above on the next track. So or if I need to do a lightning effect or haze, or for an example, since I did the I used a lot of overlays in my Halloween film. I overlaid the ghosts from the After Effects file that I actually created. I actually created that. So I created the ghosts in Adobe After Effects and as an animation, because it's animated. I used Character Animator and I used it in Adobe After Effects. And then I took that and I opened it into Premiere. So, and then I overlaid it as Luma Key. So Okay, number 7 is keep the Lumetri color panel open as you edit. I don't recommend using this. I like Lumetri panel. I love the color correction, but sometimes I don't really use it that much. I just mainly work on my audio and my video and my graphics that I need for the video and the intro and the outro and the transitions. But sometimes I do use the color corrections if I really need it sometimes. But if I'm really exposed, I actually go into color correction and I actually fix it. Fix the exposure. You can use Lumetri color panel open while you edit. I can see that, but I don't recommend. Just use the editing panel. Because main panel is the best way to edit with. Okay? I think this is number 8. Yes, it is. Number 8, always be willing to experiment and try new things. Like I say, the last one with you experiencing multiple apps from Adobe Creative Cloud, just experiment different things in Premiere. Like if you want to try using the effects panel, you can. If you want to try the color panel, yeah, you can. Or the graphics panel. Adobe Premiere has new graphics that you could experiment with. You could easily use it from Adobe Stock. So Adobe Stock is the best tool I have ever used. Honestly, I'm gonna definitely use that tool, voicing my own. With Adobe Stock, you can easily get paid for your work on Adobe Stock. You can monetize your content on Adobe Stock. So I'm definitely checking that out for myself because I like that. You paid for my own work. So yeah, definitely check it out. It's definitely worthwhile to check it out and experiment with that. So that is pretty much it. I hope this is helpful for all you editors out there and all you upcoming Adobe Premiere editors. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you follow me all over it of At Sammy's Live.